at all this rain. Ah! Shouldn't open the window. Look at the tree. The tree's moving so much. I mean, it's really windy. It actually looks like the tree's gonna fall over. Over there, it looks like the tramp's fine. That thing's fine. Wow, look at the big tree. Holy, the washing. Oh, look at the big tree! It's like an octopus. Go, octopus, go! Look at that octopus go! Yeah, the tree looks like an octopus. Yeah, it's getting very windy. I like the octopus. Jocks, when you see this, you'll be laughing. Look at the big tree. It keeps on moving. Whoa! That still looks so funny. And that tree over there. The tree on the left. This is like a cyclone or something. My trampoline's fine, so that's all that matters. I'd love if it flew away. How much rain does there have to be? Whoa! Octopus, say goodbye. Goodbye. See you guys.